Hey, are you looking for a video on how to buy solo ad traffic? Well, you came to the right place if you don't know who I am. I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to let you know how to buy solo ads, and I'm going to let you know how to find the best quality traffic possible. I'm going to also give you some resources that you can be able to get some high quality traffic and also get some long-term support to be able to get more leads, sales, and signups into your business. So let's get into it. So what you're looking at right now is you're looking at where you go and you buy solo ads from Udimi. So you click on buy solo ads and you have to have an account set up already. So it's free to create an account. And if you don't have an account, make sure you click on the link below this video and you'll be coded to me. And what will happen is I'll reach out to you personally if you sign up with me if you don't have an account. So I'll give you help and support when it comes to this process if you sign up for an account with me. So that's a cool thing. It's a cool benefit that I give people that actually sign up with me. I want to give them long-going support. So that's very important to me. So basically, when you're looking at this page, you're going to want to go and you're going to want to make sure that the sales are 50%. You're going to also want to make sure that there's at least 20% repeat orders. So when I'm going down here and I'm looking to find out how many reviews there are. So the top number right here is the reviews, and then you have the number of sales. So whoever reports sales, that number is going to be right here, and the number of orders right here, and then the cost is going to be here. So those are going to be the metrics that you want to look at whenever you go and you buy traffic. But make sure this portion right here is at 50% sales, so that way you could get all the best people, and typically they're going to be on the first page right here, right? But the thing about using Udemy and going and buying traffic, typically you're just giving your link to whoever the provider is, and they're just sending traffic to whatever. The problem is they don't check your funnel. They don't check to make sure that it's right. So if you go and you buy traffic and your funnel's not correct, you're going to lose leads, or you're not going to get the traffic that you've expected. So make sure when you go to do this that your funnel set up the right way and that you're actually connected to actually retain leads and be able to make sales, right? So that's one thing that you have to make sure is right, because they're not going to check it for you. You're not going to actually get the support in that way. You're just going to send your link and they're going to send traffic. So make sure you are set up the right way, and that way you'll have the possibility to make sales. So it's free to create a Udemy account and you could just pick whoever you want, but you're not going to get feedback. And if you really want feedback, if you really want support, then I'd suggest coming over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. Profitbuilderstraffic.com is my traffic store, and this is where I help people to actually get results. And this is why you should actually get traffic from me, is because I make sure that your sources are targeted and that you have high quality traffic to your offers. I make sure that your capture page and sales copy are congruent, right? Because that's something that you want to do. I'll actually help you, and most importantly, you need to know where the traffic is coming from. So when you get traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic when you order traffic from me. And why you should actually get traffic from me is because I help you to set up and manage your funnels and your offers. So whatever funnels and offers you have, I help you to get a very high converting page. I help you to make sure that you're getting results with it, and that you have traffic coming in that's actually high quality. So I tend to get my customers as high as 85% opt-in rate with sales, and I will help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because a lot of times nobody's going to tell you how to do that, and they don't tell you how to set up the tracking software or anything like that. So that's very important if you're running traffic consistently, is to make sure that you have tracking on your pages so you know what campaigns do well and you know which ones don't, right? So that way you can make sure that you're optimizing the way that you spend your money on traffic, and you want to make sure that you get consistent traffic. So I would get consistent traffic weekly if I were buying traffic and everything like that, because if you don't have enough people coming on your email list, then nobody's going to actually see your offer, and you're probably not going to make a lot of sales that way, right? So keep in mind, if your page is converting at 50% opt-in rate, that means half the people are coming from your clicks to your email list, which is important. So, typically I like to get as many people onto your email list as possible because you are paying for traffic that is a paid service. So once you get the lead onto your email list, you could sift and sort from there. So when you get people coming on your email list, you only want to send to people who actually want to hear from you. So there's a way to actually filter through the people that actually want to hear from you, so this way you don't get spam complaints, because when you get spam complaints or people don't open your emails, it actually hurts your domain reputation. So if you've been getting traffic or it's your first time getting traffic, you'll notice that if you don't have a lot of opens, your emails will start to go to the spam box, right? And you don't want your emails to go to spam box. So I help you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want to buy from you and who really want what you have to offer. So how this actually works is in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is you select your traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1 traffic. And you could pick the one that works best for you. Step 2, we do a campaign review. I actually go over your campaign, go over your funnel, and I give you a strategy call with it. So I let you know how to keep your emails out of spam box. I let you know how to increase your opt-in rate. I let you know things like how to make sure you get the most engagement with your email list, right? And how to actually get conversions, right? Because most of your sales are going to come from the back end when people are already on your list. So you want to make sure that you maintain that list the proper way, and nobody's going to tell you this. So when you order traffic from me, that's going to be a bonus that you get from me, is you get a strategy call and a campaign review from me. And we typically start your campaign within 3 days after you order, or after we have the strategy call, and we'll run your traffic at that point, because I want to make sure that you're getting high quality traffic and you actually have a good funnel setup to be able to get results. Now, here's some of the results that I've got for people: 200 clicks of traffic, 3 sales, 90% opt-in rate. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here you could take a look at for yourself as well. And, here's the 90% tier 1 traffic package. Here's 100% tier 1 traffic package. Pick the one that works best for you. Here's some of the questions that people ask. So if you have questions, chances are your questions are going to be down there. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people. And if you have questions, you can leave your questions down here or underneath this video as well. So you can leave them in this box and it'll go to my support box, or you can leave them under this video and I will answer everybody who leaves their comment below this video. And here's a page that we have that actually keeps your leads compliant and validated, right? So when you're getting traffic or you have people coming to your funnel, one thing you want to make sure is you have valid leads and that people don't put in fake emails, because that will hurt your deliverability. So make sure that you have real leads, and we actually validate them if you're using the system that I suggest to use. And you can find this page below this video on the second link. It's a turnkey system that will help you to keep 80% of every dollar that comes back to you. So this is turnkey and you get residual income from it. So we're going to show you how to actually create systems, and you're going to get a guide that comes over to you that shows you how everything works and how you could create this system for yourself to be able to capture leads and get high quality traffic to your offers. So if that's something that you've always wanted to do and you want to make very high commissions and very nice commissions, then make sure you click on the second link below this video and I will be happy to send you over that information. Now, if you're trying to get in touch with me, you could get in touch with me below this video. I have a Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. You can also reach out to me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, and I will get back to you as well. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And bye for now.